Wow.
What's up, everybody? It's Jack from Atlantis Water Gardens. Today we are going to have some fun, a little bit different style on this episode. We are at SwimQuest in Millburn, New Jersey. This is a completely interactive swimming school, which I wish was around 12 or 13 years ago when my kids were learning to swim, because in this place we've got an indoor pond which has fish. It's going to have turtles in it. The guys from TANKED, ATM out in Las Vegas, those guys that are on that big Animal Planet show, they built these cool aquariums. There's two of those. We're going to show you those. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to kick it over to Steve. They're going to show you how we actually built the pond that's inside this place, and then we're going to give you a full tour. This is a commercial construction site, hence the hard hat. When I was a union operator, I worked on a lot of these jobs, so I'm familiar with the chaos that happens in here. We're working inside the building. Here's the footprint for the pond. Check this out. The premise is, this is the front entrance. You're gonna enter here. There'll be a desk. It's gonna be hard to talk over that. So you enter the lobby. There'll be a front greeting desk here. The pond's gonna be right next to where the seating is. There's gonna be a changing area back here, which is gonna have a wall. We're gonna build a waterfall coming out of here against that wall. This will all be pond space. There'll be a bridge here that crosses over. The fish can swim up and down this channel into this larger body over here. Over there is where the pool is for the swim school. Right now, the liner's in, the fabric's in, we're ready to start rocking. Speaking of rocking, we've got a bunch of rocks in the truck. We're gonna offload those, get the machine inside here so we can set some bigger boulders in the bottom, and then we can start building this pond.
Hey everybody, it's Steve with Atlantis Water Gardens. We're doing a turtle pond here. We've got a lot of contractors on site right now, so that's one of the challenges with a job like this. So right now we're kind of waiting on some other things to be done. There's going to be a wall being built, tied in to the truss work up there, and it's going to be supporting our waterfall rock on this side of the turtle pond. It's a juggling act with all the other stuff that's going on here right now. Down here, you can see that we've got kind of like a template roughed out. We're gonna have stack stone and boulder work mixed in. Nice piece of driftwood here. We're gonna have that angled going down into the pond. Give the turtle something nice to climb out on. Have a nice spot to sit so people could view them. Time for some stack stone work. As we're building up our stacked stone wall, we are filling behind with pea gravel and making sure that this is incredibly stable. There's going to be a lot of kids in this building, so we especially want to make sure that this is super stable. We don't want anything budging an inch. Even though this is not a swim pond, it's very important that this is structurally sound.
Gotta love the way this place turned out. Just the way everything ties in together so that it's a complete experience when you come in here. I think it speaks volumes to the forethought that went into the design of this whole place. These tanks, I'm not a big fish tank guy, but I love these things. There's so much vibrant color in them. The way the pond fits in, and you can walk right up to it. The fish are right there accessible. And then that water feature just gives the perfect amount of sound when you come into the lobby. I love the way this turned out. You guys, down in the comments, tell me what you think about how this build turned out. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there, and right next to it is that bell. Hit that bell. Every week we're doing this. We're gonna be back here every Friday, at least every Friday, giving you a new video about these cool builds that we're doing here at Atlantis Water Gardens. See you on the next one.